Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your headphones Argon Audio Quiet Storm on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your headphones. And at the first line we have a name. You need to tap at this line. And right here, write the best one for you. You can also remove some text, but I want to only add this one. No, this one. The most important is to click Done at the right bottom to save this new name. Or if you have iOS 26, you will have checkmark button, not Done. So tap at this button. We just save it, so if you go back, you can see that we change the name. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.